Everyone, welcome to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to download and install the OneDrive application. So for that, open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. Tap upon Google Play Store. Once you're at the Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and there you type in OneDrive. Tap on search. You can see the application on the very top. Now you tap on install and wait for the application to be downloaded. This process that I have just shown you is for the Android. So if you are using a iOS and want to download OneDrive in there, you need to go to the App Store on your mobile device and download the app from there. The installation process, the downloading process of the OneDrive is completed. You tap on open. With that, you have successfully downloaded and installed the OneDrive application for your mobile device. So this is how you can download and install the app. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the quick tech tutorial. Thank you.